Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you demonstration of spiral mixtures. Then which is a part of unit operations in food industry lab. Now let's start the topic. What is mixtures? Then mixtures basically a handheld mechanism known as an egg beater, a handheld motorized beater or a drill mixture. Stand mixtures vary in size for small counter to top models for home use to large capacity commercial machines. Stand mixtures create the mixing action by rotating the mixing device vertically, that is planetary mixtures, or by rotating the mixing container, that is a spiral mixtures. Mixtures for the kitchen first came into use midway through the 19th century, and the earliest were mechanical devices. The demand for commercial bakers for large-scale uniform mixing resulted in the development of the electric stand mixers. Now let's start the topic of theory. Then the mixing process is the crucial operation in bakery industry by which the wheat flour, the water and additional ingredients are changed through the mechanical energy flow to coherent dough, which is used further for the processing, for bread making, for making naan, bhatura, etc. And the dough properties are strongly influenced by the way of their mixing. For achieving the proper dough development, two basic requirements must be satisfied. The imparted mixing energy or work input must be higher than the critical limit of the energy needed for the protein formation of the dough, which is known as a gluten, and the mixing intensity must be above the critical level for the dough development. These requirements vary with the flour properties and the types of mixtures used. The dough development is a dynamic process where the viscoelastic properties are continuously changing. The dough consistency increases with mixing speed. At higher energy input levels, higher peak consistencies of the dough were achieved. However, the increased speed of mixing result in the loss of the mixed mass stability, as similarly referred in the assays with Farinograph E. The complexity of the changes caused by the mixing motions during the mixing process must be considered for each mixing apparatus individually, because it was proven by many previous studies that besides the speed of mixing, the type of mixing forces applied, that is the Z blade, spiral blade or pin mixture, and the energy flow are factors with major influence on the final dough consistency. Then there are three types of mixtures used in the commercial settings. Each have their own set of the unique advantages, and it will depend upon the volume of the dough that produced and the type of the product that bake and the size of the work area, that which type of mixer we have to use. Then there are three types of mixtures which are as follows: horizontal mixture, planetary mixture and spiral mixtures. First of all is horizontal mixture. This type of mixture has the capability of producing the largest volume of the dough in the shortest amount of the time, and it is configured as that as the dough is mixed, the next batch is continually fed into the machine, and the dough also easily exits the machine into a truck for convenient transport after the mixing process is complete. One of the main drawbacks of horizontal mixture is its inability to keep the dough temperature low throughout the mixing process, and the friction of the dough rubbing against the sides of the bin causes the temperature rise, and which is not ideal for some types of yeast doughs, because yeast will deactivate or inactivate. Then planetary mixtures. The planetary mixture is the option most commonly used in the home kitchens, and the central mixing band rotates around a stationary bowl, and it can change the band attachment as needed to accommodate mixing goals. This type of machine to mix a range of substances too, not just for dough, and the bowl is easily detached and moved quickly. Once mixing is complete, these upright machines are typically smaller and have limited space, and the planetary mixture is better. The drawback to use a planetary mixture is that the level of mixing between the top and the bottom of the bowl may not be uniform. When using a planetary mixer machine for dough, certain areas of the batch may be underdeveloped. Then spiral mixtures, one of the most popular types of mixtures. The spiral mixtures is used in many different settings due to its flexibility. and it mixes dough completely and efficiently with little friction in a rotating bowl that moves around a spiral shaped blade. This option comes in a range of sizes to fit many different target dough outputs, and it uses less electrical power than a horizontal unit, delivering on the energy efficiency front. Then what is the principle of spiral mixture? That is establishment with less interest in versatility and more interested in solely mixing a high volume of dough may opt for a spiral mixture, which is also known as a dough mixture. The rotational movement of its spiral hooks with a rotating bowl makes the spiral mixture great for creating perfectly homogeneous dough. The main function of the spiral mixture is to gently mix the bread dough, allowing it to develop the proper gluten structure and while not overworking the dough. And this is achieved because the bowl of the mixtures rotate as the spiral hook is spinning and kneading the dough. This is the figure of the spiral dough mixtures. In this dough, in this bowl, there is the water, flour, and yeast, whichever raw material is required. And this is the beater, which is used to beat the dough or making the dough ball. This is the guard so that foreign material is not to go inside the bowl. Then there is a power control and handle tilt, stop cover, and the guards. And this is the another spiral dough mixture which is of large capacity. And this is the top of the mixture is tilt. This is the fixed guard. This is a mixing hook, and there is a control. And this is the bowl in which the raw ingredients will be taken. Then what are the features of the spiral mixtures? 2-speed spiral and bowl drive, then reversible bowl rotation, 2 timers with automatic changeover from low to high speed lockout switch to prevent high speed operation, stainless steel bowl, spiral arm, breaker bar and guard, see-through bowl guard with safety interlock prevents operation with the guard open, belt driven arm and bowl for quiet operation and low maintenance, mounted on the 3 casters for easy mobility and cleaning. Then the functions of the spiral mixture is to gently and efficiently mix dough, allowing proper development of the gluten structure while not overworking the ingredients. While the unit does not have the versatility of a planetary mixture, it produces a higher quality product that is invaluable to establishments such as bakeries and pizzeries. The bowl of the spiral mixture swirls and turns the dough into the rotating hook for optimal kneading. And the synchronization of the hook and bowl allows for ideal mixing for the desired outcome. Multiple speeds also facilitate development. For globe mixtures, the first speed lower brings the mixture together in a homogeneous mass, while the second speed high develops the gluten structure in the dough. During the kneading process, a breaker bar divides the dough, allowing the only portion to pass through the hook. Splitting in this manner is beneficial for keeping friction low and providing an even combination of ingredients. Then globe spiral mixtures are for dough functions such as pizzas, bread loops, bagels, etc. Both models can create batches as small as 25% of their capacity. The GSM 130 model can prepare 33 pounds and up to 130 pounds of dough, while GSM 175 can prepare as little as 42 pounds and up to 175 pounds. Choosing between the two depends entirely on your batch size requirements. The bowl and the hook are fixed and cannot be removed, so cleaning must occur at the mixture location. Hope you all are satisfied with this video session. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. This video is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Jaipur. Thank you so much for watching this video.